Hey guys, what's up? We're back. We've got the whole clan. Clayton, got Jake, got Oscar, got James. And what are we doing today?
We're drilling a bunch of holes into the Cayman.
Anyway, so Clayton's got some debriefing to do, so take it over.
All right, what's up guys? So in today's video, I'm a little nervous right now, but we have a lot of moral support here, and I'm sure we'll be cracking jokes and having a good time.
I thought you were buying us dinner. That's why I'm here. I'm here for the dinner.
Okay, I guess I'm buying dinner, and that's really the only reason James is here. So in the last video you guys saw, we spent like forever. I spent about 8 hours custom fitting like the front bumper and fitting the back bumper. Oh man, Oscar, you're big. Basically the front bumper, the back bumper are perfect, and the fenders and everything, they're just taped on right now. So the next step is we need to drill holes in each of these little divots. We're gonna be drilling through the fiberglass and then through the metal. And then we'll be adding Cleco pins. These Cleco pin things, if you don't know what they are, you'll see in the video eventually. Do you want these? Do you want the Cleco pins? So we'll be adding those, make sure everything fits just perfect. And then we'll be drilling the holes bigger for my custom titanium hardware, isn't that right?
Yep, here I am.
Nope. Okay, so the custom titanium hardware we have to mount the wide body kit to the car is by Dress Up Bolts. They specialize in titanium, like fancy looking hardware for your car. So the info for this company is down in the description below, so check them out down there. I have like, set this down here. So I have these cool like rubber, like riv nut things that will create a watertight seal. I have custom black titanium hardware with black titanium washers, and then a little sample pack of the different colors that they offer.
All right.
Is that gap good?
Well, let me.
He's getting cold feet. He's getting cold feet. SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob.
Do it.
Oh! Oh boy. There's no going back.
No going back. Everybody learned how to drill a hole just now, and James is over here playing with his dog.
I didn't want Oscar to mess. I didn't want his fluff to get
Oscar, your fluff is always welcome.
Okay, who's up for the second one?
Me.
I'm gonna do it right there.
All right, so I just drill, and that's it. Right?
Yes. But remember, before, you don't want this to jam into the fiberglass because you don't want to break it.
Okay.
So just drill.
Oh.
Okay, keep going, because you're gonna go through metal now.
Oh.
Now keep going, and now pull it out. Here you go.
Okay. The bullet thing?
Yep. Let's see if she can figure it out.
I better pay attention so it's my turn. I don't embarrass myself.
Oh, like this? Like that?
I don't know, does it work? There you go.
Boom!
Nice.
Woo!
Up high, down low, too slow.
Ooh. Man, this guy showed me
Cleco
out.
pin time. Cleco pin.
Oh.
It's like my favorite part is the Cleco pins.
Heck yeah, dude.
Bloop. We both made the same noise. Focus.
Nice. Woo! Like the most controlled one yet.
Cleco time.
Cleco.
Or seven.
You got this.
I know I'll figure this out
If I
eventually.
can figure it out, you can figure it out. 8 hours later.
You gotta push it.
You gotta press it first.
Press it. No, like squeeze.
Oh, I see.
Woo! Alright, James.
This doesn't seem like a good idea.
Pressure's on.
I'm more nervous to drill Clayton's car than I was the Supra. When I drove the Supra,
than any of us.
when I drove the Supra, I was like, whatever. There are a few things in life Clayton regrets. This is one of them.
Just one hole, James.
Just one hole.
Just one.
And then did it, right?
Too slow. Too fast.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Any day now.
Hey, hey.
Woo! Ooh.
Very nice.
Dance.
Nice.
Clico.
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
You got this?
Squeeze it.
Dance.
A two-handed Clico.
Wow.
Dismount.
He can't figure it out.
I was so good up until that. The pressure got to me. There's just so much pressure. It was so quiet and everybody was watching. Jeez. SpongeBob.
Hey,
careful.
you get that joke?
Of course I get that
Yeah.
joke.
Taught you well. Nice.
Careful, steady, steady. Focus, determination.
Oscar's puzzled.
Okay, this is the toughest
Do you
one.
need me to hold this?
Nope, I just want to make sure it's lined up.
If you could take that somewhere else.
You want to say some words?
Some words.
Yeah, to the caiman that you're killing?
I'm not killing it, I'm enhancing it.
Okay.
Thanks.
You're going the wrong way. You're going in reverse.
It's gonna be hot.
Thanks.
I was like, no. I was like, why is it taking so long?
Oh, thanks. Oh, thanks.
Sorry. Butterfingers.
The first side is done, and how do you feel about it?
I feel great. This has been a long time in the works. I've wanted to do this for like over a year. So I'm extremely excited that we're finally doing it.
And you're happy with the panels and how they turned out and how they're
Super
positioned? Sweet, I think they look pretty good. What do you guys think? What do you guys think?
Ready? Back a pose, Oscar. Ooh, nice. So that right there was very nerve-wracking, but ended up being extremely easy because we put the time in our preparation stage. We put so much time, well, I put so much time lining up all the panels so that they fit just perfectly, and then drilling the holes was the easy part.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, Domino's Delivery.
So this is how this really cool like rubber screw thingy bolt thing works. So pretend this is this fender. We're gonna drill these holes out bigger to this size. I think it's like 3/8. But you slide this into the fender, just like that. Then you take your titanium hardware and you put the fender over it. So we're screwing the over fender onto the fender, and watch this rubber gasket there. It's going to squat and become a little bit wider. Do you see that? Mm-hmm. So the fender's gonna be rock solid on there, and it's like a watertight rubber seal. And then when I loosen it,
It gets skinnier.
yeah. So you should be able to pull everything apart. It's temporary, it's not there, it's not like fully in the fender like a riv net would be. So you pull up the hardware, pull the fender off of the body panel, and this pops right out.
Nice.
That's how it works.
Sweet.
So we need to drill all these holes, these little pilot 1/8 holes. We need to drill those bigger to fit the rubber
Okie dokie.
thing.
Ooh, that's painful to watch. Ooh. Oh, I don't like that.
Come on, all right, James, come on.
Our friendship is so important to me, Clayton. This will end it. You know
No,
I don't
it
have
won't.
steady hands. You know I'm not good at
It's just
this.
a hole.
This isn't my strength, bro. Okay,
fine.
I do backflips and I eat salads. That's what I'm good at.
Fine. No burrs. Oh. Why is my car leaking water? Okay, where are...
That's why I didn't drill, boys. That was the hole I was gonna drill.
Okay, you guys. We did puncture the tank and it did leak everywhere. But it's not coolant. So we don't have to do a coolant flush. All I gotta do is like patch that with some epoxy and I don't know.
just say 2 minutes ago, I was like, shouldn't we be cautious of what's behind the panels? And you're like, I don't know, we'll find out.
And we found out.
That's
now I know the
Clayton's life.
The headlight or the windshield washer fluid is in the driver. Well.
Who knew?
Let's see what's in the deep tap.
Okay guys, so when we were drilling into that hole right there, I went a little bit too deep, which ended up being like maybe 1/4 inch. And I bumped into this giant tank here, which ends up being the windshield washer fluid tank. So I punctured it in 2 little spots there. I don't really know what I'm gonna do. My first try, I think, I'm gonna clean it up, make sure it's dry, and then I'm gonna just do a 2-part epoxy on there and really push it in and let it harden. See if that will.
Learn this lesson from us. Check behind the panels before you drill.
All right, so first plan of attack to fix that leaking washer fluid hole is a bunch of resin. We'll see if this works. All right, so while I was fixing the tank issue, like leaking everywhere, Jake went ahead and drilled out all of the body holes to fit those rubber nut things. So I'm going through and deburring any of the holes. Like this one had a pretty good burr, I just deburred it a little bit. Once they're all good, I'm gonna test fit it all. Guys, check that out. It looks so good with none of that tape mess and with none of the Cleco pins or anything like that. Man, it looks so good. These bolts, look at those bolts are sick. I cannot wait for this to be glossy black with the satin black bolts, satin black wheels with the copper lip. So basically in today's video, I just wanted to share the experience of drilling 44 holes into a Porsche Cayman. I also wanted to share it with my buddies. Jake is my cousin, my uncle Russ, and then my best friend James. You guys know him as Stradman. And then of course my wife, she drills some holes too. Oh, we got a little Sal guy. But yeah, I just wanted to share that experience with you guys. It was actually really, really fun. Very easy step of the whole process so far. And I'm pretty sure that is due to the prep that we did in the last video. But thank you guys so much. It is our bedtime. Sal is almost asleep. Yeah. We got to go put him to bed. I think I'm just gonna finish cleaning up the shop tonight. And I think tomorrow we're gonna put this down on the original wheels. It's gonna look terrible. But yeah. Want to send them off?
It was a fun day. We'll see you later.
Peace.